Hi there, welcome to Brondo Matrix. This video is about the latest update in GA4. In analytics, conversions are called as key events. These key events measure the interactions that are most crucial to your business. You'll find them featured prominently in the advertising, reports, and explore section of analytics. Key events may include form submission, sign-ups, join group, or generate leads. Now, where do I find these key events? Go to the admin section of your analytics. Here in the admin section, scroll down a bit. And here, just after the events, you'll find the key events. Just click it here. And remember, these are the most significant actions you want people to take on their website. And they should be tied to your business objective. And just for your information, the purchase event is automatically configured as a key event in Google Analytics. So key event is now updated version of the conversion. Thanks for watching my video. For more, subscribe to Brown Matrix. Thanks.